So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix your iPhone alarm sound if for some reason it's just not working. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of doing here is to go through, make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone, and then make your way over into your sound panel. So go through, make your way over to sounds and haptics, which is right over here. And you want to go through and make sure your sounds, right where it says ringtones and alerts, you want to make sure this is applicable. It's all the way up in the situation that you want it to, and you want to make sure it's up as possible. Now, sometimes this might be down. That's going to be a main way that this problem is going to end up happening. So go through, make sure your ringtone is basically not all the way down, that it's all the way up as much as you can. And that's going to be one of the big things I'd recommend kind of doing here. Now, on top of that, another very big thing I'd recommend doing here too is to go through and make your way over into your clock application. So come to clock, you want to click on alarms at the bottom, and in the alarm that you basically have, so find that particular alarm, you want to go ahead and make sure it's turned on. So make sure the alarm is turned on, and you want to make sure where it says sound, like it says sound right here, you want to make sure your sound is on as well, and basically that you have an alarm set up. Sometimes if you click on repeat right here, this is not repeating, then that alarm might not actually be on. So go through, make sure it's turned on. That's another way to go and fix this problem as well. If it's still not working, you can try restarting your iPhone, or you can make your way over into your iPhone settings like this, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and I'd recommend going through and updating your iPhone from that point. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.